I just got a package in the mail. Let's talk about it. Well, first things first, I want to talk about the hair industry, or let's just say these companies. To specifically talk about hair companies. I don't know, they demand a lot. So like becoming a hair influencer has been a challenge. I don't really have that many followers on my social medias, but I put out really great content. Okay, recently, okay, so let's just rewind a bit. So back in like 2019, I was just like sending brands like emails, very professional emails, just basically letting them know my credentials or whatever the case may be. So back then, you know, I didn't have that many followers or subscribers, but I still felt like that my quality in my videos and the content I was putting out was just as good. And I was super consistent than I am now. And just recently I just been doing wigs. Like I just been doing my hair a lot, and I just felt like I'm gonna put myself back out there and I'm just gonna do it, right? I reached out on Instagram, Amazon, email, TikTok, wherever I could, just to reach out to these brands. Now it's been tough. Like I said, I've been getting denials, I've been getting left on red, and it's just been bad. It's been bad. Okay, so I just said, you know what, I'm going to stop chasing after something that I want, and I'm going to allow it to chase after me. I'm just going to continue to do what it is that I'm doing and trust God that he's going to continue to do what he do. At church on Sunday, they talked about oil and how you use what you got until you can get what you want. Now, this woman, a first lady in a sense of today, and she didn't have any money to pay her rent, or she was just gonna get put out, or she gonna get her child taken away. So she told Elisha, like, I don't have any money, what am I gonna do? He basically told her, like, what do you have in your house? And she was like, I ain't got nothing in my house but some oil. So then he was like, okay, well, use that oil and, you know, to get the money that you need. So then she did. She basically, you know, started pouring oil, trusting God that he was going to provide it, and he did. She had so many oils that she sold it, and she was able to keep her house. I said that to say because he said she only had a little, and a little goes a long way. So when you use what you got, it's going to go a long way. So I had so many wigs in my house, like that I wore and I never filmed, that I wore and probably took like 2 to 3 pictures and then really, you know, post it. Use what you got so you can get what you want, okay? So I had went out and I just decided I'm gonna start reaching out to these brands because they've been really playing me. Like, I'm gonna probably post a couple of like the messages that they sent me. It's super embarrassing because it's like, they really playing me. I just said, you know what, I don't care anymore. I'm about to do it myself. I'm about to purchase me a wig. I'm about to just continue to post content. Social media really makes it look like it's super easy to be a hair influencer or any influencer of any sort, whether it's skincare, hair, makeup, whatever. That's because they already have the numbers. They already have the right amount of followers. But what about the people like me who don't have the followers and they actually want to do it, you know? I just felt like, so boom, what can we do? Like, what can we do? The people who don't have a lot of followers, I just say, we finna post. We're gonna just do it ourselves. We're gonna invest in ourselves, and we're just gonna put ourselves out there. Package in the mail, boom, from Amazon, and let's just see what it is. Hair, because I ordered some, and I'm gonna tell you why I ordered the hair. Like I said, I bought me a wig. This is a 22-inch wig. I bought it from this hair company on Amazon. The reviews were really good, and here it is. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see. Okay, so here it is right here. I said the packaging came a little, it was terrible. Fresh out the pack. They gave me like 2 little. So let's take it out the pack so we can see. It's Body Wave. But yeah, this is it. It's really pretty. It's pretty.
Oh, it's pretty.
Yes, good.
Yes, this is pretty.
This is, the lace is really thin, I have to say. I like to cut this little piece off. I honestly don't even know what's the purpose of this little thing. I don't know. See, most of these little strings on the ends right here, they are usually like detached. But this one, look at this. Hold on. Look at this. You pull it. This is the string, and you pull it out. So now it's tighter. You see? It's much, much tighter. Have to pull it out of this little, what's it called? What do you call this thing? See that? So here's how the lace is lacing. Okay. It looks like it's pre-plucked. It's soft. I like the lace. It's really thin, which is a good thing because I know this is going to melt so good. Ugh. And I could just see it now. I got my little comb right here. So it always look good when you first buy it. That's the wig that I purchased, and I just felt like, let me go ahead, like I said, purchase me a wig and just see how it goes. I purchased that wig simply because I just felt like I'm being overlooked, and I know it's a lot of people out there that feels the same way. Like, oh, these influencers make it so easy, look so easy to get it. All you gotta do is message them, and then boom, you in the game. No, like, be honest, okay? There are some hair companies that make you purchase the wig first, and then they'll refund you. And honestly, I feel like I don't want to get scammed. I don't know about y'all and how cool it may be for y'all and y'all trustworthy, because y'all, you know, that's what y'all do. But me, honey,
Get somebody else to do it.
they don't care to read that long message, the long message that I be sending, like, hi, my name is Saisha Wilkins, and I'm a beauty influencer, and I have 6,000 subscribers, and I have this amount of followers on Instagram, blah blah blah. They don't want to hear that. They honestly don't care about that stuff. They don't even read it, because when they reply back, they be like, hi dear, how many fans do you have? Girl, boy, whatever, I just sent it to you above. Read the message above. You will see all of it. You'll get all the links that you need above. They don't do that. They want you to resend it to them again. Like, no, I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. I know it's probably somebody that's watching like, well, you have to do what you gotta do in order to, you know, get these hairs. But at the same time, they need us, y'all, for real. You have beauty influencers, hair influencers out here who's actually calling the shots. Like, they say they're not posting their hair, and they're gonna get $350 to post the hair on their page. They only posted one video for $350 and plus a free wig of their choice. Okay, so, and sometimes the company, they make their rules too, like, okay, this is the hair we're gonna send you. We're gonna send you $150, blah blah blah, XYZ. The fact that, you know, we have to just accept what they send us or what they got or whatever the case may be is BS. Like, oh, do a 5-star review. Oh, I remember this company. They told me, I never received hair for them. I don't know who they are. I never seen them before. And they was like, do you have a picture of curly hair? I'm gonna actually post the messages. And I blocked them because, stop playing, okay? Be so for real. They was like, hey, do you have a picture of curly hair? If you do, post it on our pay Amazon, and we'll refund you $5. So you mean to tell me y'all want me to lie for $5? That's it. That's all I get is $5. Like, no, $5. What I'm gonna do with that? We can't even buy no chips and no juice with no $5. Baby, they overtaxing for these chips. So no. So I just feel like that if I'm gonna do it, I am creating the world that I want to live in, and it's not that. I know that one day when God bring me to that point, that I'm gonna be ready, and I'm gonna set the tone for what it is that I want, and I'm gonna set the rules for what I want. So like I said, I invested in myself today, and I purchased me a wig. I sure did, and it's nice. And I'm just gonna be posting content until I can't post content no more. If you are like me and you don't really have that many followers and you really want to put yourself out there, just post. Just post, because it is so many hair companies out here. Like, Amazon ain't the only hair companies. It's Black owned companies. It's Latino brand companies. Like, it's not just Asians that has hair companies, or Amazon that just have hair companies. It's so many hair companies out here that is willing to work with you and that actually need the content that you actually post. Do not settle, okay? Settling is the worst thing that you could do. Oh, we're gonna send you this bogus curly wig that don't have a part, and we need you to review it for free. Baby, I could have went to the beauty supply and got me a nice little $10 wig, and I could have advertised that for free, and it would have looked way better than the wig that you're trying to send me. Beggars can't be choosers. Like, I'm begging them for a free wig, but it's like, no, I'm not actually begging y'all for no free wig. I'm actually trying to post content so that I can elevate myself, and so that I can actually get to a point where I am making revenue from my platforms, just like everybody else. At the end of the day, like, I'm on social media all day, so yes, I want to make money off here. So it ain't just a free wig, baby, because clearly I could buy my own wig, but it's just a simple fact that I know how to do them, and I'm really good. I'm not gonna say I'm really good, but I'm getting good at these wigs. So, and I actually love hair, so I love them. I love the look. Like, you can be anybody that you want to be with a wig on, like. I love it. It's not about the free wig. It's about the fact that I actually want to do this. But it's some people out here that actually do want a free wig. Like, they just want a wig. And kudos to you, boo. If you want a free wig, you know, they giving them out like hotcakes. So why not? I just wanted to make this video because I just wanted to be as transparent as possible and say that whatever it is that you're going after, whatever goals that you want out of life, go for it, do it. Don't allow society or these brands tell you what you can and cannot do, period. We have 600 followers, that means that you're not worthy of our brand. It's like, okay, baby, it's so many brands out here. If you accept that, and that you beat yourself up about the fact that this brand doesn't want to work with you, and they say, oh no, dear, we don't collaboration at this time, but they up here messaging people, these other hair influencers online, they begging them, beating they door down to get their hair and they head. Don't listen to that. Just keep going. If I have any encouraging words to tell you, it is that you can do it. Use what you got until you can get what you want. If it's just a phone that you have and you got a little light, use that. You can't allow your situation to define who you are. You have to go after what you want for yourself, whether it doesn't even have to be hair, it doesn't even have to be makeup, it could be a job, it could be your passion, whatever it is, you wanting to start a business, it's all up to you. You have to do it. Put yourself out there and do it. Just do it. If you look at your situation from the outside in instead of the inside out, like, oh my God, I can't do this, I can't do that, I don't have, instead of just looking like you have everything you need right here. If you trust in God and believe in God that He can't do anything that it is that you ask for in His name, then it's possible. It's possible. The world is yours. So I always say that my niche is the world that I create. I don't want to be niched. Like, I don't want to just be put in a box like, oh, this is all she do, this is all this person do. No, I do so much more. Get creative. Don't follow trends. You are a trend. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Now, and no, don't do the rest of this. The next time you'll see me, I'll be applying a wig. So we is getting out here, honey. Yes, ma'am. And today is a good day. I trust in God, and I'm signing off. Okay, bye.